Before we start, let me tell you what is problem solving. Problem solving is the act of defining a problem, determining the cause of the problem, identifying, prioritizing, and selecting alternatives for a solution and implementing a solution.
Why, Huda? What's wrong with you? What are you sitting for, Huda?
Oh my god! I forgot to bring my book! How are we going to discuss our assignment without my book?
First, define and identifying the problem. Without knowing the problem, you cannot move further. So, have a clear understanding of the problem for which you are going to find a solution.
Oh, it's okay, Huda. What are you so worried about? Every problem has its own solution, right?
I know, but how? How are we going to solve this problem?
Okay, I know how. Come, let me show you.
Second, analyze and develop possible solutions. It's essential to come up with multiple viable solutions to a problem because you don't know yet what outcomes the action is going to bring about.
Okay, so this is our solution. As you know, there is a lot of search engines such as Google and Safari. Okay, let's say, we search for our topic discussion for our assignment. Why student don't want to further study? Okay, you can see there is a lot of source that we can use as a reference for our discussion. So why you don't need to worry or bother about not bringing your reference for our discussion because it has everything. Did you know about Google Scholar? Okay, let me show you how Google Scholar works. Okay, first you just search for a Google Scholar and then you search the topic. Why students don't want to further study? Okay. So basically, Google Scholar is all about educational purposes. So it play an important role for us as a student. Plus, don't you agree that books have many disadvantages?
I agree with your statement, Farah. Do you know, recently I just read an article from Wildlife Fund about how many trees have been cut down just for a sheet of paper. They estimate tons of trees have been cut down and 1 to 8 billions of trees just been cut down for a piece of paper. It obviously shows how dangerous it is for our nature, and it can be cause environmental pollution such as haze, flood, and everything. So for me, the technology is such a brilliant idea and genius innovation for a human so that we can save our earth from the environmental pollution.
Furthermore, with the existence of networks such as 4G and 5G, we can access more information on the internet faster and easier. So you don't need to worry about not bringing your book again to the discussion because internet have everything. So finally we found our solution.
Third, deciding on the best course of action. Select the solution that is best fitted to the organizational cultures and goals and meets all the criteria that you set for evaluating the options.
Okay, so let's continue our